Welcome to the new segment of the grade 9th. Today we are going to discuss about another subtopic of climate chapter. So when we see these effects of factors in Indian monsoon, we have discussed 5 main important factors which is effect on a monsoon and high pressure and low pressure. So apart of these, when we notice these changes, pressures condition over in a southern ocean effect, that is on a monsoon. Normally when we see this tropical eastern South Pacific Ocean experienced high pressure and the tropical eastern Indian Ocean experience low pressure. But the certain years when we see these pressures condition that will be moved forward to the eastern Pacific has lower pressure and it will be effect on a eastern Indian Ocean. Periodic changes pressure condition, they are known as, here when we see this map we'll understand, see this circulation of air, this it will be in a equatorial, that is currents, which is the cold current is, and uh, in it will be Pacific Ocean and in between the Indian Oceans. So when we'll move that circular manner, it will be, see here the Peru and as well as the equatorial current ocean, it will be give a south equatorial currents. So when wind it will be move, when we see these in a side of these oceans, we can see that the Sahara, some important, that is Australia, that is North Australia. When we see this, here we can see that evaporation does not happens because of these currents, that is when we move that the evaporation does not happens, that's why the evaporation it won't happen, that's why we can see in the desert that evaporation will be dry in between only. And another one thing here, that is two thing we can, this condition, that is periodic changes in a pressures, here the low pressure to the high pressure, and it will be changes in a circular manner, that is in a main important two oceans, Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean, that will be make a cold current and a warm current. So it will affect on a, it will be changes in a pressure condition, that is known as a southern oscillation or SO. So it will be different pressure, that is in a Pacific Ocean in a 18 degrees Celsius, it will be in a south, and 149 degree it is in a west, and it will be drawn into the northern Australia. See here the in a northern Australia, and it will be create a cold over in that place in a Indian Ocean. It will be 12 degree 30 minutes in a south and 130 degree in a east. It is a compute and periodic, it will be instantly on the monsoon. So this pressure, it is a difference the very negatively, because when it will be make a cold current, it will be changes into the warmer, because these are in between the, where it is in a equatorial region, that is a equatorial currents it will be effect. And that average of monsoon, they will receive a very low of a monsoon in that areas. A further connected, that is with the Yeso Il Nano. So it will be make that, that means here it will be coastal, that it will be derived from that Spanish word meaning the child. So when it will be baby Christ, when it will be gives a current starts flowing during in a Christmas. So when we'll imagine here the Christmas will be we are the celebration the Christmas in a December month, when it is a in a winter season. So when we see this phenomena of Il Nano, and it will be warm ocean currents, it will flow, that is a Peruvian coast. Here we can see the Peru. Yes, it will be give, and it will be making the cold current. See here, when the air pressure it will be gives warmer, when it will be warm currents, it will be converting to the cold currents because of the evaporation and the circulation of the wind. So these phenomena, the every 2 to 5 years, it will be changes the pressure of the condition that connected to the El Nano, and phenomena of refers ENSO, that is El Nano and Southern oscillations. So this is a very big topic to explain of the cold current and the warm currents. So for the reference, you can refer the 9th grade textbook. Thank you.